Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally we are breaking out from this descending wedge. As you can see, right in this moment here, we are getting above it. And I told you guys that this was a bullish pattern and we probably will go above this resistance here. And this makes Bitcoin really bullish. Look, exactly here we are breaking now. And I told you that probably we are going to break this resistance, that the chances were higher. But we have to be careful because we have to stay above this resistance. This could be a fake out. What I mean by this? I mean that, let me take the free line, we could pump, let's say, just for today, or maybe this weekend, and after that when we're going to get back down, and I'm sure that at some point we're going to go back down and test it. I think the chances to go down are higher. I don't think that we are going to do something like this. Let me show you. Pump to the moon straight away. No, I think that we're going to pump something like this, and when we're going to go down, it's very important to bounce from it and continue our bullish pattern and to go above it. That's the most important thing. We have to pay attention for today to not get back down, or in the following days to not get back down in this downing wedge. This is really important, guys. So let's have a look at what price we should have, let's say, our support now, because now we're above it, and this line, it should act as a support. So we should have it around, let's see, okay, $44,000 and half, as you can see here, around this area. But I want to show you that we are going to have a lot of resistance on our way up. Let me show you. Of course, around this area here, as you can see, a lot of resistance. And of course, at this moment here, we're going to have some resistance. And of course, here, a lot of resistance. But our target should be this one here. We should get to test this target, the $52,000, almost $53,000. So for the moment we are bullish, but we should be careful. Caution guys, we don't have to go all in, but the bulls are on our side. On the weekly frames, I want to show you that we are above this pink line, that is the 50 moving weekly average, and we bounce on it, and this is really bullish. As you can see here, we bounce on it, and that is really important because the bullish momentum is going to continue, and we really needed to bounce on it. Of course, anything can happen, that maybe we're going to from this point go back down and it's not going to act as a support. But at this moment I'm really bullish, as I was last week, and I'm going to tell you that this bull run is not over, and I'm pretty confident about that. Of course, everything I tell you is not a financial advice. Why would you listen to a crazy guy on the internet, no? But I want to show you another interesting thing. Okay, let me make it a little smaller. As you can see, when we were above this 50 weekly moving average, we had this pump, right? You are with me? Okay, and let's take from this breakout to when we went below it. Let's say exactly here, and this means 955 days. Wow, it's a lot of days. Exactly. Let's do the same thing. Of course, we can see, we could say that we started here, but we went below it. Of course, about it, we went here down below because of the sanitary situation around the world, we know about the pandemic. But let's say we take it from here when we break it really decisively and our bull run started this round. And at this moment, where we have only 525 days. So I think we have a lot of room to continue. As I said, I think that our top for this bull run is going to be in the next 3 to 6 months. We could get it in December at the end of the year, or we could get it like the first quarter of the next year. But let's have a little bit of fun and say how many days we are from this breakout. Well, we are around 889 days. So even if you want to count it from this date, well, we could say that there's a lot of room to go on. Of course, from the last bull run, we don't have that much data, but we could say, like, let me take it again. Maybe we could say that it started from here and we went down exactly here. So what we could notice with this thing? Well, we can notice that after every halving, the bull run continues more and more. I mean, to find the top, it takes more days, as you can see here. Of course, we are going to see that exactly when we're going to have the top, but no one knows exactly when it's going to be the top. We're going to know that it was the top after it's going to actually happen. When we're going to be, for example, here, no one is going to know that the top was here. We're going to know that the top was here exactly after a few weeks or months, because we're going to go probably down, bounce at some support level, go up, and again people are going to take profit and we're going to start a bear market. Exactly, maybe here in this area people are going to say, okay, this was the top and that top is going to be confirmed. Okay, this is all for this video, guys. If you find it interesting, let me know in the comments what you think. If we are still in a bull run or we are bearish, or tell me what you think about the market. I'm going to wish you a great weekend and stay crypto. Bye bye.